During last sessions, we were discussing how to create a sale invoice taking example of single tax rate for all the items a company was dealing. Today we are going to discuss how to create a sale invoice for a company dealing with different types of products with different tax rates. So today again I am starting from the beginning, from creation of company. So let us learn once again clearly. So I am creating a new company from company info screen. Create company. I'm giving some name. I'm taking example of milk products. I'm maintaining books for Karnataka state. I'm accepting. After creating a company, we have to go to F11 features. Under F11 features, we have to go to statutory and taxation. After going into statutory and taxation, we have to enable the first top left two parameters. One is enable goods and service tax, that is set or alter GST details, and we have to select the state to which we belong to, or for the state for which we are maintaining books of accounts, and we have to give the GST number. I'm giving some dummy GST number. I'm giving applicable from 1st July 2017, and here set or alter GST rate details. I'm just enabling this. Here I'm selecting tax details, taxability as taxable, and here the tax type. Here we can see only few parameters. To see all the parameters, we'll go to F12 features, configuration. Here enable all the parameters whichever we required, and here you can give the tax details of common or fast moving, or which the company deals more, the tax rate. We can fix the same here. Okay, where the major component, major portion of goods taxable, we can select here. So I'm dealing with milk products, so major product for me is condensed milk. So I'm just giving description as condensed milk, and I'm taking example of HSN code. Here taxability taxable, and I'm coming and giving 18% tax rate, and it has divided equally for center and state. This is the tax rate what you giving here. It applies to all the stock items if you are not overriding each stock item manually. This particular part we will discuss in the later sessions also. I'm just accepting this particular screen and coming out after saving this particular screen. Fine. After enabling GST module, we have to come to gateway of Tally. Here we need masters. We need accounting masters and inventory masters. So I'm going to accounts info, ledger, create. I'm creating a buyer. Okay, I'm just giving local buyer. Local buyer. For more clarity, I'll give the state name. You can give exactly the buyer name or the company name. The buyer will come under sundry debtors, and maintain balances bill by bill is yes. And coming to state, it should be the state, local state. For me, local state is Karnataka, so I am taking Karnataka. Set or alter GST details. Here, if we are selling to another dealer, registered dealer, we can select regular. If we say unregistered dealer, we can select unregistered dealer. We can accept it. Where we are selling to final consumers. Okay, now I need a supply of goods ledger. I am creating supply of goods. It will come under sales account. Here nothing to do, just select applicable, and after selecting type of goods, come out. Next we need two tax ledgers. One is CGST. CGST will come under duties and taxes. Select type of duty or tax as CST and tax type as central tax, and nothing to do with this percentage, let it be 0 and come out and accept the screen. Next we need SGST. Under duties and taxes, type of duty as GST, type of tax as state tax, nothing to do with this percentage, just enter and come out. After this we need stock items. I'm coming out to Gateway of Tally. Under inventory info, I'm coming to stock items, create. I'm just creating stock item, condensed milk, selecting units of measures as numbers or packets. You can create number or packet. I'm just taking numbers, and here GST applicable. See here, this particular condensed milk is applicable tax at the rate 18%. So these 18% I already fixed in company master during when we enabling GST module. So again, no need to give the tax rate for any stock item. If you are not fixing a tax rate, okay, in item screen, then it will pick from company master where we fixed. So here we'll see example without fixing 18% for this condensed milk. I'm not doing anything, just selecting GST applicable as yes. Set or alter GST details, I'm just keeping no, and here I'm just selecting type of supply as goods, and I'm saving this particular stock item screen, creation screen. Then I'm creating one more stock item, cheese. Here this stock item, the tax rate is differ. It is 12%. So this we can override this 18% to 12% by giving in the item master. Just I'm selecting GST applicable as applicable and set or alter GST details to yes. Here I'm giving the description as cheese itself. I'm just giving the commodity HSN code and calculation type on value, taxability taxable, and here I'm giving tax type, tax rate as 12%, and it is calculating to and fixing to central tax and state tax, and I'm going to accept this screen. Now we'll see creating sales voucher. I'm coming out of this particular screen, coming to gateway of Tally, going to transactions, under transactions accounting vouchers. Under accounting vouchers, I'm just clicking on the button sales. I'm giving some reference and make sure your date should be after July. So I'm taking 1st July. I'm selecting party ledger, the buyer. I'm accepting. Selecting sale ledger as supply of goods, and I'm selecting the items. First I'll select the cheese. I'm going to sell 100 number of cheese at the rate 45 each. Next, condensed milk 100 numbers at the rate 30 rupees each. Now coming to tax part, I'm selecting CGST, SGST, and accepting this particular screen. Now I'll page up. I'll go to print. I'll go to preview by pressing Alt-I, and once I enter, I'll get a print preview screen. Here we can see both cheese as well as condensed milk. See, for cheese we specifically given during item creation. Can you see this 12% I overridden during item creation, but for condensed milk I didn't do anything, just I created a stock item, but the tax it was picked from company masters. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Please view more videos, share it, like it. Thank you.